So this Lux person said, "Oh my God, you are too tough. You are tough, too tough." Yeah. Yeah. Listen, life is hard. You know what? Life ain't even hard, man. Life is easy in the UK. You know, life is literally easy in the UK. We pretend that it's hard. It's not hard. You think you have welfare. You think you have food banks. You think you have the benefit system in Jamaica or Africa or certain parts of Eastern Europe. No way. If you have no food, then you have no food in certain of these countries. I went to an old woman's house the other day, yeah. I think she says she's almost near 80 years old, yeah. She said back in the day, if you couldn't afford to eat, then you didn't eat. The children, if they couldn't afford to eat, their parents would put them in a workhouse. So I said, what's that? She's like, exactly what it says it is. She said the kids would have to work there and then they get minimal amounts of food just to survive. Yeah, like that. They live there basically. Parents, adults, fend for yourself. If you starve, you starve. That's it. There's none of that now. You've got fucking food banks. You've got somewhere where you can go and get free food. Even if, you know, it will only equate to 1 meal per day. If you can survive off 1 meal per day, hey, you'll be a lot slimmer. Forget slim fast. Yeah. Yeah, you don't even need that. Just 1 meal a day. Trust me. We got it easy. I remember when I watched that program, it was a reaction video actually. It was called The Romanians Are Coming. And yo, let me tell you something right now. Yeah. Certain parts of Eastern Europe is like white man's Africa. Yo, like if you think Africa is poor, certain parts of Eastern Europe is the same. It's literally the same. The people them is living broke. In this, the Romanians are coming. Somehow, yeah, I don't know, they're squatting in this old abandoned building. Yeah, there's no electric in there. There's no windows. They're just in this building. I think there's some kind of like Romanian gypsy people or something like that. Yo, they're living rough. There ain't no welfare over there. There's no welfare over there. None of that business, man. If you're hungry, then you're hungry. There's no food banks, nothing like that. Oh shoot. Do you know A1 from the 9? No. He's a lot younger than me. He will know some of the people that I know, but I jumped off road a long time ago before he come on road. And remember, I'm 32, you know. They got the Romanians, they work hard. Yeah, in that program that I've done a reaction video to, I think there's 3 episodes. I've done reactions to 3 episodes, yeah. It's just so sad. Like, there was this white, well, see, Romanian. He was working at this car wash. He was doing like 12, 14-hour days at this car wash for like £50. This guy used to sleep under a bridge, and he literally said the rats, they would eat his food. So sometimes he would come back and the rats would steal his food. Imagine getting jacked by a rat. Yeah, you're getting robbed by a rat, blood. I swear, I even uploaded a little clip. He was like, the rats, they eat my food. Yeah, with accent. Yeah. Yeah, imagine that. Imagine a rat stealing your food. Yo, man can't even catch a break. There's motherfuckers out here doing 12, 14-hour days. Imagine, yeah, there's some of you that would moan about doing a 9-hour day, but at least you get to go home. These guys are doing 12, 14-hour days for some dead, illegal wage, yeah? £50 an hour, £50 a day, and then they have to go and sleep under a bridge. How are you going to get a good night's sleep ready for the next day and refreshed if the rats have eaten your food and you ain't got no proper shelter, no proper warmth, yeah? How do you even charge your fucking phone? Well, we got it too good over here. That's why, like, you see people that look like me, I don't respect them when, you know, they're talking about how hard it is for us. Yo, this is the easiest time for people that look like me. Instead, a man don't want to put in the work. A man just want to sit and, you know, scroll through Netflix, bun weed, and complain about black oppression. But you're an idiot, man. You're an idiot. Imagine, yeah, what all of your ancestors went through, and now you got it a lot easier than them. You got more opportunities than they ever had. Because imagine, if we were still stuck in Africa, we don't have no fucking opportunities. We got more opportunities than them, but we choose to sit down on the sofa and bun weed instead of being productive.